No. How was your first canoe trip? What was the best thing about it? What was the best thing about this canoe trip?
Having it.
What was the best thing about this canoe trip? Con, you were here. Aww. What was the best thing about the canoe trip?
You're here.
That I'm here.
That I'm here.
Me too. What was the best thing about this canoe trip? She doesn't think she looks pretty enough. She doesn't think she looks pretty enough for the camera.
Where's the big guy that says I want to go canoeing by myself?
What was the best thing about your canoe trip, Bill?
I didn't drown.
Oh, that is good.
I survived the ensemble.
Going home. I'm ready to go home.
Aw, you didn't have fun?
I'm tired.
What makes you so tired?
We're going canoeing, not kayaking.